from this to this. Ooh. Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here and welcome back for another highlight. It's the version 2 Adopt Me and now available at McDonald's Philippines. Yan. If you're wondering, this is the first version wherein you could change the eye expression of the animals like this one. Yee. Cute, right? And for this year, it's flying. Nice, right? So, yan. So, let's start showing you the closer look na ng mga toys. Okay? So, let's go! So, since na-open na natin yung first one,